I did an addition off of our house and researched it and figured out how to do it. I planned it all out and made it happen. Then I started looking at NICC for classes I could take. My name is Teresa Eggers and I'm a graduate of Northeast Iowa Community College. I studied construction business management. I am a truss technician at Lumber Specialties. I help lay out plans for floor trusses and roof trusses. I don't think there's a class that I took that I do not use on a daily basis. In my program, I did not get to go actually build the house like the carpentry students do. However, I was allowed to go out and look around and kind of observe what they were doing. Then I can actually visualize how everything is coming together versus just in a classroom. If you like to work with your hands, if you like hands-on things, if you like learning something new every day, construction is for you.